We're going to Kyoto now. To Kyoto.
Hi! Today we are going to Kyoto City. Kyoto is famous for their matcha, classic Japanese cuisine, shrines, and much more. And I'm taking you to some of must-visit spots. Upon reaching Kyoto Station, you can find Kyoto Tower right in front of the station. Take some snaps and you're good to go. Let's go to our first stop, the Yasaka Street. This street is an iconic historical street located in the heart of Arashiyama district, popular as one of the most photogenic spots in Kyoto. Along the alley, there are lots of street foods to try. It is the best photo spot for charming streetscape with pagoda that can be found in the middle of the street. We are heading to Yasaka no Pagoda, also known as Hokkanji Temple. It was built in 592, which is the oldest pagoda in Kyoto. Visitors can enter the pagoda up to the second floor, and the entrance fee is 400 yen. Moving on to Ninenzaka and Ninenzaka, the two of Kyoto's most attractive preserve district. The road is lined up with traditional buildings and shops. We also came upon this Ghibli Museum store, located in one of the alley. I will put the link on the description box below. We're having our lunch in Futaba Soba restaurant. It is a tiny restaurant located right in front of Starbucks coffee. Their specialty menu is this matcha cold soba. Let's give it a try. Yummy! On this street, you can also find world's first Starbucks located in the traditional Japanese house. A relaxing atmosphere and a luxurious interior. The floor is all tatami on the second floor. So, you would need to take off your shoes before entering the tatami area. If you love the historic city of Kyoto, as well as Starbucks coffee, we recommend you to stop by. Next, we are visiting Gion Street. Gion attracts tourists with its streetscape, lined up with traditional wooden merchant houses, which are preserved for many decades. Here, they offer shops, restaurants, and tea houses, where geishas and maiko make their appearance. And by the way, if you see geishas on the road, it is okay to take pictures from afar, but remember not to disturb them. This is Kyobaum, the best bamguhen here in Kyoto. The bamguhen is really fresh and soft, and it is not too sweet. We're heading now to our next spot, Arashiyama. After getting off at Arashiyama station, there are signs that point you towards the bamboo forest. It is about 10 minutes walk. On our way to the bamboo forest, you can notice lots of different little cafes and shops to try. along with
Joy and
traditional
pleasure to millions
souvenirs.
of music lovers.
I'm in love with dances are you? I'm in love with dances are you? I'm in love with dances are you?
Let's continue our journey to Arashiyama.
I'm in love with dances are you?
Nonomiya Shrine in Arashiyama is a place where you can pray for good marriage luck. It is located beside the bamboo forest. The shrine is also a starting point for a walking route from Arashiyama to Sagano, and there are also many other sightseeing spots close by, which is why the shrine is always busy with tourists. Despite being one of the city's top attractions, the mystical bamboo path in Arashiyama is a great change of pace from your typical sightseeing day in Kyoto. Standing amidst the soaring stalks of bamboo is like being in another world. Finally, we are at our last stop for today, the Fushimi Inari Shrine, the 1000 torii gates of Kyoto. They are famous for its 1000 of vermilion torii gates. Fushimi Inari Shrine is one of the most important spiritual grounds dedicated to the Inari, the Shinto god of rice. Most tourists come to Fushimi Inari to follow the mountain path through the wooded forest of the mountain Inari. A torii gate is said to be the division between the physical and spiritual worlds. You will encounter thousands of torii gates at the Fushimi Inari shrines. All the torii gates along the path has been donated by either individuals or companies. It has been an hour, but we only managed to finish 1/3 of the trail. It is more tiring than I have expected. Anyways, Kyoto journey was so much fun. Can't wait to visit again with my family next time. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any comment or suggestion, please leave it in the comment box below. I'll see you next time. Bye!